Today, I am happy to make it official and to publicly announce that my position has changed and that I have been called for national duty and that I really want people to see me differently. And I therefore formally introduce myself as the acting Red Commissioner of the Republic of Ghana. His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama, has finally invoked Section 2 of the Rent Act 220,
Yep.
which for the last 62 years,
62
we
years.
not had a commissioner.
Wow.
So the visionary president, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, has seen the need that we need to sanitize the housing sector so that at least we can bring peace, harmony, and reconciliation between the landlords and tenants. You know, when you come to the issues of rent and landlord issues, it's a bit chaotic. And the president, in his wisdom, and as part of his legacy building, has decided to bring a commissioner to drive his vision, ensuring that the rent law, which people have been crying that is not being enforced, trust me, is going to be enforced fully.
Wow.
Fully.
Wow.
As the commissioner, administrative head of the rent control today, I can assure the Ghanaian people that the perception of rent control, we will do our best to prove that it has changed. And it will change right under my tenure.
Wow.
I want to assure Ghanaians that His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana, believes that there must be peace at home. After all, if he is not able to build for all, which is not possible, he will do what he can do at a point, trying to introduce or improve the supply. But he's saying that the law has to be implemented and implemented well. So I'm happy today to thank the president for seeing the need and reposing that confidence in me that Frederick Opoku today, having advocated for a decade and plus, is competent enough to take that responsibility. I've accepted it, and I want to state it clearly today that I want to be referred to as the Rent Commissioner acting of the Republic of Ghana. However, I believe that we're going to have partnership with other associations.
Sure.
I.e., I'm praying that there should be a landlord national association, as we have the tenant association. Now I'm no more part of them. I've stepped down, and I want to take this platform as well to let Ghanaians know that I have stepped down publicly as Secretary General of the National Tenant Union of Ghana.